Villafranca. No good. Basket by the Australia. 30 seconds injury timeout.
Si Bautista ulit? Ay, hindi. Ha? Asan mami mo?
Ewan po sila dito. Ano lang ako. Pumakta na ako sa taas.
Birthday niya ngayon, birthday. Happy birthday sa pinakamaganda ng TV. Pinakamaganda ng TV. Happy birthday. So na yung portrait mo, sorry naman. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Picture sa my birthday. Ayan. Yun.
Villafranca warning for foul out. Face out by Binglasan, basket.
Yun! Isa pa!
Second shot, basket again. Official score all 64.
All 64. Deadlock at 64 tayo. Sa overtime.
Offensive foul committed by number 24, Villafranca. Villafranca fouled out. Fifteen seconds to shoot. Binglasan. Basket by Binglasan.
66-64. 2-point lead by Patriots.
Rebound by Bautista. Basket by Binglasan. 2 minutes and 48 seconds left.
4-point lead by Troopers.
Official score 68-64. Patriots ball. Binglasan. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Del Rosario, no good. Rebound by Salvador. Rebound by Bautista. Last 2 minutes. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Basket by Castro. Timeout. Troopers. Time remaining 1 minute and 42 seconds left. Official score 70-64.